Asana. Asana means stable posture of the body. And sometimes for people, especially who live in a big city, it's not easy to stay in a posture for a long time. Long time, I mean 5 breaths. Because the lifestyle, it's so hectic. Yeah, you're always moving. You don't have to, you're rushing, you're moving. Yeah, you don't find the time to stop for a while, to check yourself, your breath. Where are you? Who are you? And stay in the posture. And your ego is always fighting with you, always pushing you. Yeah, and that's why it's not easy. It's not easy sometimes to stay for 5 breaths in a stable position, but it gives lots of strength. And when you stop to fight with your ego, the emotional relief, you will get peace. You will feel peaceful. Yeah, you're gonna build your alignment and feel that stress went away. It's helping to find a harmony between your body and your mind. That's the posture asana. It's helping to find the balance between body and mind, your inner peace, your inner harmony.